Hello, just checking the weather. Some tornado warning there. Just kind of checking, seeing if there's anything too severe. Hurry up.
For tonight, scattered strong to severe thunderstorms. Storms may produce large hail and strong winds. Low 65. Chance of rain 40%. And on
Really moistens.
What's... Uh-oh. Okay.
The National Weather Service in State College Park has issued a tornado warning for northeastern clear.
It doesn't really look that bad. Halloween should be like a... Looks a little bit there.
Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado.
Okay.
The storm containing the possible tornado was near Carthouse, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Blackham OSHANO State Park around 6:55 p.m. Snowshoe around 700 p.m. when
600. Wait, huh?
radar. It means that strong rotation has been detected in the storm. A tornado may already be on the ground, or is expected.
Oh wait, there, clear field.
Will impact the following central Pennsylvania interstates: I-80 between mile markers 132 and 153, I-99 between mile markers 65 and 66. This will also impact the following major roads: Route 220, alternate Route 220. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take cover inside now. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Move to an interior room on the lowest level of a sturdy building. Put as many walls between you and the outside as you can. Avoid windows. Protect yourself from flying debris.
Okay then.
Anymore actually, and it's pushing south of the 10-degree north latitude line, and of course we like for systems to stay just north of this line in order for it to have a good chance of really developing. The rest of the Atlantic is quiet. The Eastern Pacific is pretty quiet too. Don't have anything really to worry about off the Riviera of Mexico. But let's keep going west because we have been watching this tropical storm Shantou, and it'll get closer to mainland China, making landfall, bringing additional local heavy rain. So we'll keep you updated on this as well. Nick?
A busy and stormy afternoon turning into a busy evening around portions of the west, the central part of the country, and into the northeast, where we still have 3 watches for severe thunderstorms, and those watches take us throughout the evening hours. Strong thunderstorms pushing into Pennsylvania, into Connecticut. You've seen trees down just about everywhere. A 67-mile-an-hour wind gust in Hartford, and 2-inch hail reported in Rockland, New York, as thunderstorms continue to rumble through some of those same areas. I want to call your attention to this thunderstorm in central Pennsylvania. A new tornado warning out on it. Northeastern Clearfield County, western Center County. This, a Doppler radar indicated tornado, but it could put down a real tornado at any time. So, get to the lowest level of your home and away from windows and act fast. Suffolk County, the tornado warning no longer with you, but a severe thunderstorm warning there on the east end of Long Island. Still a tornado warning out here in New Hampshire. This for southern Carroll County.